What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're doing a clown makeup tutorial. I'm recreating something that I did last year on Instagram. I never made a makeup tutorial for it at all. I kind of did for fun, but I'm not sure if people requested for me to do it. I can't remember, but so I'm gonna be doing that because I feel like that needs a makeup tutorial, and I actually really do want to recreate that look. Maybe better, maybe not. I'm actually wearing different contact lenses from what I was wearing in the awful. I'm wearing my whiteout contact lenses. These ones are like swirled. I did a review on these a couple months back, so yeah. So anyways, let's dive into this makeup tutorial now. Okay, so first I'm going to be diving into this Kat Von D Divine palette, and first I'm going to be kind of like dipping my blending brush into this white shade over here called Female Trouble, just white. Just kind of brush it on. I'm going to kind of like brush it all over my eyelids. Shade Waters in the Kat Von D palette, and I think I'm gonna get a little smaller blending brush actually for this one, but also be blending it out with the bigger one to make the blending more flawless and, you know, get some more fluffier brush. But first we're gonna be kind of, I guess we're gonna be putting it like along like all over here. We're gonna drag it out like almost close to my brow, and I guess we're gonna wing it out because in my original look it actually is winged out, so we're gonna do that. Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna be diving into this darker blue shade that's a little bit darker than this one. They didn't really have like a lighter shade, so that's why I used the Kat Von D Divine palette first, but we're gonna dip into this. I'm gonna use a crease brush, and I'm gonna be applying it like kind of like along the crease and then blending it out into the other blue I just applied. Diving into this darker blue in the Morphe 35B palette. It's nearly black. But yeah, we're going to be using a small crease brush, and we're doing the same thing again, and we're blending it out. But I kind of dragged the eyeshadow down here and blended it out as well. Kind of the same thing I did my lid. So I brought it down to my nose. That was pretty cool. I don't think I did that in my original look, but I just, you know, I just kind of went with it. You know, whatever. It's just supposed to be kind of like a recreation type of look, and it's going to be different, of course, so whatever. But anyway, so now we're going to be dipping into the Morphe 35B palette again, and let me get it in here. And we're going to be using a eyeshadow brush, like a flat eyeshadow brush, and we're going to be applying some black onto like the center of the lid and be blending out. I'm not gonna blend it out too much. I'm gonna blend it out into this darker blue, and I don't know how much I'm gonna blend it out. I'm probably gonna go ham with the blending, so we'll see. Doing the under eye, and I'm just basically gonna be doing the same exact thing we did on top. I'm gonna start off with the light blue. I'm also gonna be blending out the white. I'm not gonna apply the white first. I'm probably just gonna blend out the light blue with the white, and then I might bring it down a little bit, and then what else we're gonna use? We're gonna use the other blues from the Morphe 35B palette, and it's the same exact color, same blending and everything, and the black of course too. So yeah, we're gonna be doing all that. Next, we're going to be applying Kat Von D's Basket Case eyeliner onto my waterline. Kat Von D's eyebrow pomade and graphite onto my eyebrows. I'm going to be drawing on some like really high arched eyebrows with the small angled brush. Next, we're using Kat Von D's Alchemist palette, and we're going to be using the shade Sapphire, which is a blue, and I'm going to be dipping a small flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to be applying it onto like my brow bone to like make the area pop out. Okay, next I'm using Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner and Trooper, and I'll be adding it, kind of doing like a little cat eye in the corner of my eye. So next I'll be contouring my face with the Lunatic Cosmetics contour palette, and I'll be dipping into these two shades right here. You see, I'm going to start off with this one first, blend it out, and then do this one to make it more darker, and then blend it out of course. I'm also going to be contouring my jawline as well, and I might add some white in this like light yellow shade to like kind of like clean up the contour. Next I'm going to be using Kat Von D's Better Together part of her palette, and we're going to be dipping into this shade Swoon. It's a beautiful metallic red, and I'm using a small flat eyeshadow brush And I'm gonna dip into that. Oh, it's actually like really soft. I haven't used this palette in a while, so so yeah, we're gonna be putting the red on my nose. Okay, so next I'm using Lime Crime's Black Velvet lipstick, which is a black lipstick, and I'm using a concealer brush to kind of line my lips first. I'm gonna do like some like crazy like pointed lips, like found looking lips, and then we're gonna fill them in, of course. Okay, so I just finished adding some eyelashes. These are Phone Home from Alien Cosmetics and they're super awesome, super fluffy. I think 626 probably would have gone better with them because they had a blue like little eyelashes in them, but I don't know where my 626 lashes are at the moment. So these ones have red in them, so I think that would look, this also looks really good to look as well. So yeah, and they're super fluffy, so they go in with the black smoky eye. But anyway, so we're gonna be going back into the Lindsay Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm gonna be dipping into some of these blush shades. I might be dipping into these two, maybe even this one, I'm not sure. Because I think I need a little blush, and usually clowns like to wear blush, or like, you know, their cheeks are rosy. So I figured that some blush would go good with this look. Dipping into the Alchemist palette again, and I'm gonna be dipping into the shade Sapphire again, and I'm just gonna get on my fingers and I'm just gonna lightly apply it like up here, got my cheekbones up here, kind of like make my cheeks pop out more. We also apply it over here. So the tutorial isn't over yet. We have one more step to go, maybe 2 more steps, and we'll be done. So I'm gonna be using the Merhan's Paradise Makeup palette. It's a water activated paints, body paints and face paints, and we're gonna be dipping into just black here and blue. I'm gonna be doing black and blue stripes like on my neck, just like how I did in my original Instagram post. So yeah. So we have one last step, and I'll be adding some zombie black blood spray, kind of like on my lips, and it might go into my mouth. It's not gonna taste too well, but yeah. I'm probably gonna cover myself first. I don't want to get like blood all over the place, so I'm probably gonna go get some paper towels and then come back and spray my mouth with some blood. So yeah. So that will be it for today's makeup tutorial. Now it tastes kind of weird now. I don't want to swallow this. I'm like, ugh. My voice kind of sounds weird now. Whatever. I just swallowed some, but whatever. Yeah, my teeth are all black, so that's pretty cool. what was I saying? So yeah, so that's it for today's makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. It was fun recreating a look I had did last year for Instagram, and I finally, now I'm barely posting a makeup tutorial for that, and I thought Halloween would be perfect to post it. Well, October would be perfect to post a clown makeup tutorial. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So make sure you leave a like and comment down below. I guess, I don't know, you can comment down below. You can comment like if you're gonna be a clown for Halloween or what you're gonna be for Halloween. Tell me you guys to be for Halloween. I don't know what I'm gonna be for Halloween exactly. I'm not even sure. I might be like Elvira maybe. I have no idea. Maybe in the Bride of Frankenstein if I find a really cool like white dress, you know, but yeah. What else am I gonna say? I forgot. Oh yeah, so make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Denise Draven as always. I usually post like sneak peeks of videos on there. And like I usually post like makeup looks that don't go up on YouTube and stuff. So yeah, so make sure you follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. I'll put my usernames down in the description box below. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!